So what we have here, alternator bracket, okay, doesn't matter what type of vehicle, make, model. A lot of cars have these style of adjustments. So what this is these little metal steel collars go through this aluminum bracket and they clamp the alternator when the bolt goes through. So as you tighten the bolt, this moves forward and squeezes the alternator in between here. So I have a method for removing these, or not removing them, just drawing them back with the use of a socket and a bolt. Just make sure your socket, this case is a 15mm 1/2" drive shallow snap-on socket. Just put that through there and then use a bolt and draw that through. So this way you don't run the risk of breaking this ear off, because you hit this with a hammer and they're frozen, trust me, you will break this ear right off. So just a quick demonstration. Here's your alternator. Can't get it to fit in between. So we're going to move these so we can fit it. So what we do, here's our socket, our nut and bolt, socket over the collar. Now what you can do first, give yourself a little lube, can't hurt. As you can see, press the collar right through without any problems. The alternator fits right in without any hassle. It's got plenty of room. See by the gap. And then when you tighten this bolt up, it'll just push this collar up tight to the alternator and lock the alternator in place.